Hello everybody. Today I'm going to do a simple everyday look. Kind of monochromatic, neutral-ish tones. The blush, bronzer, the eye, the lip gloss. My lip gloss is popping. Okay, let's just get right into this quick tutorial. It's gonna be a voiceover this time, guys. Alright. Okay guys, starting off with the First Aid Beauty Coconut Water Cream to moisturize my skin. You can use any moisturizer you have, but I just decided on this one because I got a little sample. Yeah, moisturize the skin, then cannot forget your sunscreen. So I went with the Bare Republic Face sunscreen, which I've been loving. This sunscreen, the only thing is it does take a little bit to sink into the skin and dry because it's very emollient. It's not quite oily, but it kind of is very slick, if you know what I mean. But yeah, moving on, I'm going to add primer, and it's the Flower Beauty In Your Prime Pore Minimizing Primer. This stuff works really well on my nose, but not so much on my cheek pores, So I'm still looking for a great primer, so if you have any suggestions, let me know down below. Then going in with my Smashbox foundation, which is my fave. Just blending that all into the skin with my dirty ass beauty blender. It's okay. I need a new one anyways, I need to throw this one out. But yeah, any foundation of your choice. I'm doing a light coverage today, and I really like just having my natural skin being able to show through on my natural days. But I honestly don't really like full coverage in general, if I'm being honest, Next is concealer. And I'm going in with the Colourpop No Filter concealer. I'm not sure on the shade because I bought this before they expanded the shade range, so I'm going to have to double check which shade I actually have. But yep, this one's very creamy and I like it a lot. I forgot how much I loved it. I found it in the makeup drawer and decided to use it again. Brought the goods back out. Then after blending my concealer out, I went in with the Flower Beauty. I believe it's the matte one. I'll have to double check, but everything will be listed in the down bar, But I actually really love this powder. It makes my skin look super smooth. And I just put a light layer of that all over my face with my beauty blender. Well, it's not beauty blender, with my Real Technique sponge. After lightly powdering my face, I am then going to go in with my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. Favorite bronzer from the drugstore. And honestly, bronzer is one of my favorite things to buy. I really want to try the Fenty Beauty one. I'm just applying this all throughout my face, the perimeter of my face, and then also applying it into the crease. I do this for most of my everyday looks, just for some definition, but I'm just going to use this as a transition shade before I get into the Soft Glam palette. Then from the Soft Glam palette, I'm going to just take the shade Rustic and just put that all over the lid and blend that into the crease. And this is basically a 2 shadow look with my bronzer plus Rustic. Super easy peasy lemon squeezy. My favorite kind of looks because I'm kind of lazy on most days. Then taking my NYX Cosmetics Ombre Blush in Nude to Me. Just blend that into the cheeks and blend nicely with your bronzer. And to go in for a kind of monochromatic look, all neutral. Love a neutral look and a good monochromatic look. And then for brows, very simply, I'm just going to go with my Glossier Boy Brow. Because if you're in a rush and you're trying to get out of the house and do a quick beat, I just like to put quick brow gel through my brows. That's about it. Plus, brows isn't my favorite thing to do. Kind of suck at it. And I know practice makes perfect, but I refuse to practice. So, moving on. I'm going in with mascara, the Hourglass mascara. I'm not too sure how I feel about this. I got a sample from Sephora. It's usually how I roll. And lastly, I'm going to add this gloss from Colourpop times Kathleen, and I believe it's Moonchild. I love it. I use it all the time. Pretty sure the writing on the packaging is completely rubbed off because I literally keep it in my bag all the time and just slap it on. is like the best nude gloss ever. And I used to hate gloss, but I have converted. And I'm very much into gloss now, except on windy days. And to complete this look, I'm going to set my makeup with Too Faced Peach Mist. And you know, just really spray it on there. Just really get it on there, guys. That completes this look, guys. And that, you guys, completes this kind of monochromatic, simple everyday look. No highlighter, guys. Not today. Didn't feel much in the mood, which is shocker, right? Everyone's highlighting to the goths. Every day, mostly. Except for me. I mean, this next blush kind of had some color to it. It has some shimmer in the compact. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. And until next time, I'll see you next time. Oh, don't forget, like, comment, leave any suggestions down below. Subscribe. That's like the #1 thing, right? I should be saying that. But anyways, love you guys. Bye.